Hello, writers. I'm going to demonstrate another short Think Aloud. You just watched me complete one for a map I was unfamiliar with, and now I'm going to do a 3-minute Think Aloud with a text that everyone in class will finish reading on your own. When you read it, I would like you to practice doing Think Aloud on your own and just see how it works for you. Does it help you engage with the text in new ways? Does it help you understand things about the text that you maybe didn't understand before? So you're just going to experiment and see how it works for you. From the task area 3.7 in our Canvas course website, there's a link for a website that you can open. This is from the New York Times. There were 8 student essays that were chosen as winning essays in a contest. And these students wrote personal narratives just like you are writing for this class. So these are really great examples and models of what you are striving toward in your own writing. So I thought they would be really good for us to work with. For the purposes of this assignment, we're just going to read the first of the 8 winning essays. You'll see on the website that there are links to all 8 of the essays. So you're certainly welcome to read as many of these as you would like. They're short. No single essay is more than 600 words. So go ahead and read as many as you find interesting. We're, as a class, going to read nothing extraordinary. You can use the link here to access it, or you can see, because it's the first one in the list, it just shows up right here as I scroll down. All right. So I am going to do Think Aloud for 3 minutes and begin my reading of this essay. So the first thing I always think about when I read something is the title, Nothing Extraordinary. And it is an interesting title because it seems a little bit contradictory. Extraordinary is the word we use for something that is really exceptional and fabulous, beyond ordinary. And this says nothing extraordinary. So it says to me that maybe we're going to be looking at something that isn't very ordinary, that isn't extraordinary, so maybe that means it's just perfectly ordinary. So it makes me curious to know how that title is going to be fulfilled in the essay. It was a Saturday. Whether it was sunny or cloudy, hot or cold, I cannot remember. But I do remember it was a Saturday because the mall was packed with people. So interesting start. We're really clearly in a time and place. We know it's a Saturday. We know we're at the mall. We know the mall is packed. And for some reason, the writer has decided to specify that she can't remember whether it was sunny or cloudy, hot or cold. And that kind of seems important because it says to me that the weather in this circumstance, she's trying to maybe emphasize that it wasn't the weather, it wasn't exterior things that were important, it was something else about this experience of being at the mall that was important. I was with my mom, and what I really notice here is this is one sentence, and it's also one little paragraph all by itself. It's pretty unusual to see such a short little sentence stand alone as a paragraph. What that does for me as a reader is it makes me think that's super important, like that she wants me to be really clear that she's with her mom. I don't know why it's important yet, but I'm probably going to find out, I hope. Mom is short, skinny. Again, she's kind of breaking a lot of rules as a writer. Like she has this little one-word sentence, which definitely seems to break the rules. And so it just makes me curious about that. I wonder why she's doing it. It is easy to overlook her in a crowd simply because she is nothing extraordinary to see. Ah, now I understand the title. Okay, so the title actually refers to how she sees her mom, that her mom is nothing extraordinary. All right, I'm going to stop there. And your task as you keep going is to continue reading this short essay. It's just 600 words. And use Think Aloud for as much of it as you want, but try to do Think Aloud for at least 10 minutes. And you might be able to do the whole essay in 10 minutes. But you can see in 3 minutes, I didn't get very far. Think aloud really slows you down. So just do it for 10 minutes and see what it has to offer you. All right, everyone. I look forward to hearing about your experiences.